Take command of the road in the 2016 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.